Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2016 Nissan Juke. From any screen, if you just want the map, you can click the top bit there. If you click map and then you click menu, you get to the same menu, the enter destination menu. Otherwise, if we just go back to that, we click nav and you're onto new address, previous destinations and so on. We want new address. That's got our postcode in already, so I'm going to put the postcode to our old garage in. So we'll click on there, and our old garage was PR. Now we need to go to numbers, and that's 1, 2, 3 and ABC. So we click on there, it's changed to numbers 5, 4, back to the alphabet, back to letters, J, S, PR5, 4JS, map and OK. We'll click OK. Calculating fastest route.
Make a U-turn if possible.
That's it. That's how you set the sat-nav. Thanks for watching.